Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about cost versus price when it comes to your vehicle service and repair. You might say to yourself, they're absolutely the same. Nothing could be further from the truth, to be honest with you. The price is what you're quoted. If you call around and you ask for, let's say, servicing a vehicle, let's just take replacing a fuel pump on a vehicle and that. You're going to get a lot of different prices. And the reason why is there's a lot of different things that go into that. Are they quoting an OEM style part? Do they have master certified technicians? Are you comparing apples to oranges? A lot of folks will take such as a fuel pump module and just replace the fuel pump inside with an aftermarket part versus quoting the whole assembly, which is a higher quality repair, along with replacing the fuel filter or not with it. So be very careful when you're doing cost versus price stuff. The actual cost is if you get a bad repair, you have to have the vehicle towed, you miss a day of work, you end up with a rental car, you add all those in, that's the end cost. So make sure you're taking your vehicle to a quality facility that's giving you a quality warranty with qualified technicians. That will be the best repair. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.